Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to read Jolly Phonics Level 1 Reader Mud. Let's revise tricky words. I, the, we, be, he, she, me, to, do, was, of. Open the first page. I. Inky. And what sound inky make? B. What sound B make? And what is the color of B? Yellow and have black strips. Snake. What sound snake make? What is the color of snake? Red, and there are black spots on it. Okay, move to the next page. Inky, b, and the snake, run. Inky, bee, and snake, run. Next page. Snake, inky, and the baby, jump. Snake, inky, and bee jump. Splash. Okay, next page. Baby and the lands in the mud. Bee lands in the mud. Inky, and the snake, help to scrub the mud of bee. Inky and snake help to scrub the mud off bee.